Good day guys, I'm going to show you the dragonfly fillet square today. It's a square like this. I'm doing a lace throw for a little girl's room currently with the butterfly lace square and this dragonfly lace square and then a flower lace square. All three the squares are now on my crochet channel, and also the mesh stitch how to join these. At a later stage I will do a border for this. I think I'm going to do a fan border to finish it off, so I'll do that next week. So let's start with the square. For the square I have started with a foundation chain of 25 stitches, double crochet stitches. If you'd like, you can also start with a chain 25 and then double crochets into those 25 chains. So for row 2 you're going to do a chain of 3 and then 4 double crochets. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 1 and skip 1 and then do 13 more double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now you're going to chain 1 again and skip 1 and do 5 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your last double crochet into the chain, top of the chain 3 space. 5, chain 3 and turn your work around. Then you're going to do 1 double crochet into the next double crochet, chain 9, and skip 6 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3. Remember the chain is also a stitch, so it's a 4th one, 5, 6, and then do that next one. You're going to do a double crochet, so 9 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, and that's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 1, skip 1. No, sorry, skip 6 stitches. Chain 1, chain 9 and skip 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Sorry for the mishap there. So you're going to chain 9 and skip 6 stitches again, the same as you did on this side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. So you need to go into that stitch, skipping 6 stitches, do a double crochet into that last double crochet, and then a double crochet in the top of the chain 3 space. Chain 3, chain 3 again. Turn your work. Now you're going to do a double crochet into the previous double crochet on that row, and then you're going to do a double crochet into the chain 9 space, chain 3, Going to do a double crochet into this bottom chain 1 space. Then you're going to chain 3 again. Going to do a double crochet into this space here. Now you're going to do a total of 9 double crochets into the double crochets of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th one. Going to do a double crochet into the chain 9 space. Going to chain 3, do a double crochet into the chain space of that first round. Do chain 3 again. Double crochet into the chain space that's left here. Double crochet into the double crochet. And a double crochet into the chain 3 space. Now you're going to chain 3 again. You're going to turn your work. Now we're going to do 5 double crochets in the beginning. So you chain 3 is your first double crochet. Going to double crochet into that next double crochet. Double crochet in the next double crochet. And you're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain 3 space. So it's 1 and 2. Now you're going to chain 1 and do a double crochet into the next chain 3 space. And then you're going to double crochet each of the previous double crochets of the row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then do a double crochet into the chain 3 space and chain 1. And you're going to do 2 double crochets in this last chain 3 space. And double crochet in each of the 2 previous double crochets. And a double crochet into that chain 3, and turn your work. So what you're going to do now is you're going to start with the dragonfly in the center there as well and end these 2 dragonflies. So you're going to do 4 daisies now again. Double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to chain 1 and skip 1. Then you're going to do 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 6, chain 1 and skip 1 and do 6 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochets, chain 1 and do 5 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna chain 3, 2, 3, and turn your work again. Now you're gonna do 8 double crochets. So this is a chain 3, then you double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. Your 5th one's gonna be into that chain space. And then you just continue into the double crochets. 6, 7, 8, chain 9. She did 8 double crochets, chain 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna skip your 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember the space is also a stitch. You're gonna do 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochets. Chain 3. Gonna look like this. Gonna turn your work again. Now you're gonna do a total of 10 double crochets. So double crochet into each of the previous crochet of the previous round. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Double crochet into this chain 9 space. Chain 3. You're gonna do a double crochet into that chain 1 space and chain 3 again. You're gonna do your double crochets again. You're gonna do a double crochet into this chain 3 space first, and you're gonna do your double crochets in the previous ones. 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a double crochet into the chain 3 for a total of 9. Gonna chain 3 again and turn the work again. It's starting to look like this now. Now you're gonna do double crochets into the previous double crochets of the row again. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and a double crochet into the chain 3 space, and another double crochet into the chain 3 space. So that's 11, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 3 space, and another double crochet, and double crochet the remaining double crochets and the chain 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a double crochet into that chain 3 and chain 3 again. Let's turn the work. So now for the next round, you're going to start the 2 bottom dragonflies again, as well as finishing that center dragonfly. So you're going to do 5 double crochets. This counts as your first double crochet, the chain 3. So it's another 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So chain 3 and 4 double crochets. You're going to chain 1 and skip 1 and double crochet 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you're going to chain 1 and skip the chain space and do 6 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, trying to pick up the pace because I don't know how many space my phone have. So I have a small J2. Just finish this round. I hope it's not gonna cut out at a stage. If it does cut out of a stage, I will do a second video, but I hope to finish it in this one. Okay, chain 3. Now you're going to turn your work again. Now you're going to repeat your rows from row 3 up to row 5 again. So you're going to do exactly the same as you do in the beginning too. Oh, I forgot to do a chain space there. Excuse me. Let me just go do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry for that, guys. So you did a chain 6 after that chain space. Chain 1 and skip 1 and do 5 double crochets. See, I'm getting too hasty now. I made a mistake. And I've been crocheting 20 years already, so it doesn't matter how long you've been crocheting, you're going to keep doing mistakes every now and then. So don't give up if you make mistakes. Just keep continuing and do it because you love it, not because you want to make it perfect. Okay, so now for the next row, you're gonna do a double crochet into the next double crochet. Gonna chain 9. Oops. Gonna skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into that stitch. Do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochets. Gonna chain 9 again. Gonna skip 6 stitches again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're gonna do 2 double crochets at the end. Oh, that's the wrong stitch. Double crochet in the last stitch. And a double crochet into the chain 3 of the previous round. So you're ending with 2 double crochets. You're gonna chain 3 and turn your work again. And you're gonna do a double crochet into the double crochet and then a double crochet into the chain 9. So it's a double crochet into that previous double crochet, double crochet into the chain 9 space, chain 3, double crochet into the chain 1 space of the previous round, chain 3, double crochet into the chain space, and then 9 double crochets into the previous 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Double crochet into the chain 9 space. Do a chain of 9. You're gonna do, oh no, sorry, chain of 3. Oh, sorry. think I can blame it on old age. To chain 3, do a double crochet into the chain space of the previous round, chain 3 again. So it's a chain 3, a double crochet into that bottom chain 1 space, chain 3, double crochet into this chain 3 space, double crochet into the double crochet of the previous round, double crochet into that chain 3 space, and chain 3 again for the next row. And turn your work again. You're going to do 5 double crochets in the beginning, counting your chain 3 as your first double crochet. So we need 4 more double crochets. So you're going to do a double crochet in the double crochets of the previous round. 1 and 2. Going to do 2 double crochets in that chain 3 space. 1 and 2, chain 1, do 2 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, double crochet each of the previous rows double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11. You double crochet into the chain 3 again. Yeah, I think I made another mistake again. No, it's right. I almost thought I made another mistake, but I didn't. So very glad for that. Okay, so you're gonna do your 2 double crochets in here. And that is where I'm making the mistake, I think. Yeah, 1 double crochet. Only 1 double crochet in here. So chain 1. So for this round you did 3 double crochets, 2 double crochets into the chain 3, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the chain 3, then you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 double crochets. Then you did a double crochet into that chain 3 space. Now you chained 1 and you're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain 3 space and a double crochet into the previous round's double crochets. Let's get some wool again. A double crochet into that double crochet into the chain 3. You're gonna chain 3 and turn your work, and you're gonna do 4 double crochets again into the previous double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You're gonna chain 1 and skip the chain space. Gonna double crochet into all the previous double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You're going to chain 1 again and do 5 more double crochets to the end. And for the next round, you're just going to do 25 double crochets for the next row. You're going to remember to do a double crochet into the chain space as well. I'm just going to start a row.